Okay, today I want to show you another part of AIcarousels.com, the new tool that I discovered just a few weeks ago, and I'm absolutely having so much fun with it. And I hope that by watching this video, you see the value in this tool because I have not seen anything like it, probably besides Canva, but Canva takes quite a bit more time in terms of the design elements and kind of putting everything together. This is a tool where you give it a topic and it'll just give you what you want. And I'm going to show you that. In a video earlier, I showed you how to use the carousel portion of this for your LinkedIn. Now I'm going to tell you another thing that I absolutely love about this. We're going to go see their infograph generator. So infographics are fantastic when you're doing any kind of content creation, but one in particular that I was looking for was cheat sheets. Cheat sheets are very popular right now as well on LinkedIn. So I was looking and looking and looking, and I couldn't find one. I couldn't find just like an a cheat sheet, AI cheat sheet generator, if you will. And this is as close as that I've found to what I was looking for. So I want to walk you through this and show you just how awesome this is. Even if it isn't exactly what I want, it's pretty darn close. So if you go to the infograph generator inside AI carousels, you're going to see this here. So I'm going to go ahead and just start here and go generate infograph. And again, you're going to have the ability to just put in any topic you want. So what I already know, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a topic, but I'm going to say top 10 AI video generating or generator tools for 2025 or in 2025. Okay. Then I'm going to put in here, I know the top 10 that I want to do because I've used them all and I have a favorite, but I'm going to put in here exactly what I want. And I have a list. So bear with me for just a second. And if some of you haven't heard of these, I'm going to go ahead and I'll be doing videos on all of these because I now have enough experience with them to know what they're good for and what they're not good for. But Kling AI, my favorite. But I want to make sure Kling AI is in here. Pix First was really good. Came actually into a close second for me. And it's not as big of as a generator as some of the other ones, but I really liked it for what I was doing. Minimax was another really, really good one. Then you have Luma Labs AI. If you haven't tried that one, fantastic. Luma Labs, we have Runway ML, or I'll just put Runway ML on there. And then we have one called Pica, which was really neat. There's one called Hyper. I don't know how you pronounce that. Hyper AI. It's okay. It's not my favorite, but it's nice. Then you've got some other models. I don't know, Juan Pro, if you guys have ever tried that. It's pretty cool. And then there's this Hunyuan one over here too, which is good. All these good, all those ones and are pretty good. And Vidu has really gained some notoriety, not notoriety, but some buzz. I think I was using them couple years ago and they weren't really that great, but I've had them and used them. But as these models get better and better, you just change. So another one that I discovered just probably about 6 months ago, not too long ago, was a product called Flicky. Very, very good. It has the ability to take like a blog post and create a video out of it, or create these. I mean, it's amazing. Or a podcast, right? It's one of those kind of like an aggregator tool that does all kinds of different things. You just have to give it text and it will be able to generate pretty much anything you want. And then what else do I have on here? I have, so do I have 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, I think I have 10. So I'm going to go ahead and give it these directions. I want a cheat sheet right now. You can do a cycle infograph. I'm not sure what that is. I haven't played with that yet. Do's and don'ts or problems and solutions. But since this is just like a list, then we just want to leave it as a cheat sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and generate, and let's see what it does. Now, the really nice thing is you can, you can change colors, you can do whatever you want. You can give it, I know you saw that I already gave it pretty much what I wanted it to put on here, but you don't have to give it anything, and it'll generate what it feels is the top 10, or it'll go out and use and find out what it feels is the top 10 video generators. But there it is. Very beautiful, right? I'm going to go ahead, and I don't really like the colors. So I am going to go right here to my color palette, and let's see what kind of neat colors we can do here. Okay. That's interesting. So there's all kinds of stuff in it. Ooh, I like that. So you can come in here and basically match it to, your brand colors, whatever you want to do. I think I'm going to leave that there. And then now I'm going to put a little bit of a background. You can change the typography on it, and if you want, I think the font looks pretty good myself, so I'm going to leave that, but I want to change the background. I can put a background image here. So if I toggle this button over here, look at that. See how it put that background in, or that picture of the computer. Now it's actually got a picture of a computer, and then it's and then it's got the opacity, right? Is that how you say that? And it's got gradients, so you can kind of see how it goes from light to dark, and then it's got a picture. So I've got several different things going on in the background here. But what's really neat is you can go generate image. And since we're talking about video, maybe you want to say something like, I'm going to put young, or I'll just put businesswoman shooting with dark long hair, shooting video with her iPhone. Who knows, right? And that might not be the right thing, because I'm trying to think now that goes along with this, because Kling AI is not for that. You're usually at your desktop or your laptop trying to generate images to video or text to video. So, but I just want to give you an example of what you can do with this. You can just play around and put it whatever background you want, which it's just amazing. And I'm thoroughly impressed with this tool already, and it seems to be fairly new. I don't think many people have been talking much about it on YouTube yet. Maybe they have, but maybe I'm one of the first you've heard it from. But anyways, either way, it's really, really cool. Now if I go like this is gonna help. You see what it did? Now you can kind of see there's somebody out there. You see a camera here. That's kind of cool, actually. That doesn't look bad. I'll probably leave that like that. Now this gradient, the design element, I can change this. See what's happening here? See the dots? See what happened? I mean, it's just amazing what this tool does. I still am kind of in disbelief at what this did, but it's just really neat. So again, you can do whatever you want here, or again, I can just do that, and there you go. So I'm going to just leave it at this for now, just to get this through. But I wanted to share with you guys this. And now when I'm done, all I'm going to do is download the infographic, and it will be ready to go and ready to post on LinkedIn with my post. So anyways, I hope you guys like this video, try to make it quick, but remember, go down to the link in the bottom and get your get signed up for AI Carousel. It's a fantastic tool. You're going to love it. Promise. See you in the next one.